Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Spectrum Internet Self-Install Kit from start to finish. So when you open the package, you'll typically find a modem, power adapter, coaxial cable, Ethernet cable, any required splitters, and a quick start guide. Before you begin, unpack everything and make sure all the included accessories are there. Now let's start by setting up the modem. Locate the coax wall outlet in your home and connect one end of the coaxial cable to that outlet. Attach the other end to the coax port on the back of the modem, then tighten the connector by hand so it's secure. A loose connection can prevent the modem from receiving a signal. Next, plug the modem into a power outlet using the included power adapter. Now it's time to connect to a Wi-Fi router. Use the Ethernet cable included in the kit to connect the modem's Ethernet port to the Internet or WAN port on the router. Once the router has finished starting up, grab your phone, tablet, or computer and open the list of available Wi-Fi networks. Find the default network name printed on the label underneath or behind the router. Enter the Wi-Fi password shown on the same label to join the network. If your internet isn't active yet, you'll need to activate your Spectrum service. Open a web browser on your connected device and visit Spectrum's activation page. Follow the prompts to register your equipment and complete the activation process. If you're unable to activate online, you can connect Spectrum customer support and they'll guide you through the remaining steps. After activation is complete, wait a few minutes for the modem and router to finish syncing with the network. Finally, test your connection by opening a website or running an internet speed test. If everything is working correctly, you'll have a stable internet connection and the modem's online indicator should remain solid. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.